Discover the ultimate window solutions Clearwater, Florida has to offer with our comprehensive range of services tailored to meet your needs. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows Clearwater or custom windows Clearwater, Florida, our expert window contractors Clearwater, Florida are here to provide top-notch service. From window installation to window installation, we ensure your home is equipped with the best window styles Clearwater has available. For those considering replacement windows Clearwater, we offer a variety of styles to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. For those seeking window replacement options, our vinyl window replacement Clearwater services are second to none. Vinyl windows are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our team specializes in sliding window replacement Clearwater and double-hung windows Clearwater, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. With our window estimates Clearwater, you can plan your project with confidence, whether you're upgrading or installing replacement windows Clearwater for added efficiency. Impact window installation Clearwater is essential for homeowners looking to protect their property from severe weather. Our hurricane window services Clearwater provide peace of mind with high-quality impact windows designed to withstand the toughest conditions. Trust our Clearwater window installation services to keep your home safe and secure while considering replacement windows Clearwater for added protection. Window maintenance Clearwater is crucial for extending the lifespan of your windows. Regular window seal installation Clearwater, Florida and window frame installation Clearwater can prevent costly replacements. Our window screen replacement Clearwater services ensure your screens are in top condition, providing protection from insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. If installations aren't enough, investing in replacement windows Clearwater can be a wise long-term solution. Enhance your home's aesthetic with bay window installation Clearwater and casement windows Clearwater, Florida. These window styles Clearwater add elegance and functionality to any room. Our window consultation Clearwater, Florida services help you choose the perfect design to complement your home's architecture, including high-quality replacement windows Clearwater for a fresh new look. Energy-efficient windows Clearwater are a smart investment for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our window contractors Clearwater, Florida offer a range of options, including window tinting Clearwater, Florida, to enhance your home's energy efficiency. With our window upgrades Clearwater, Florida, you can enjoy a more sustainable living environment by installing replacement windows Clearwater that improve insulation and performance. For those in need of window glass replacement Clearwater, our experts provide quick and efficient service. Whether it's a small crack or a shattered pane, our team ensures your windows are restored to their original condition. Our window installation experts Clearwater are equipped to handle any issue, big or small. If damage is extensive, consider replacement windows Clearwater to fully restore and upgrade your home's appearance. Custom windows Clearwater, Florida offer a personalized touch to your home. Our team works with you to design windows that reflect your style and meet your specific needs. From unique shapes to specialized glass, our custom solutions are tailored to your preferences. Whether you're designing new windows or choosing replacement windows Clearwater, we offer expert guidance and craftsmanship. When it comes to window installation in Clearwater, Florida, choosing the right window contractors is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. Clearwater Window Installation Services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient windows, vinyl windows, and impact windows. These options not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also improve its energy efficiency, saving you money on utility bills. Our replacement windows Clearwater services ensure long-lasting performance and style. Energy-efficient windows in Clearwater are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and lower energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. With energy-efficient replacement windows Clearwater, you can enjoy a comfortable living environment year-round while contributing to environmental sustainability. For those in need of window replacement, vinyl window replacement Clearwater is an excellent option. Vinyl windows are known for their durability, low maintenance, and affordability. They come in various styles, including double-hung windows, sliding windows, and casement windows, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your home. Vinyl replacement windows Clearwater ensure that your windows are not only functional but also stylish. Impact window installation Clearwater is essential for homeowners looking to protect their homes from severe weather conditions. Hurricane window services Clearwater provide robust solutions that can withstand high winds and flying debris, ensuring the safety of your home and family. These impact replacement windows Clearwater are designed to meet stringent building codes, offering peace of mind during hurricane season. Clearwater window installation experts are available to address any issues you may have with your windows. Whether it's window frame installation Clearwater, window seal installation Clearwater, Florida, or window screen replacement Clearwater, these professionals have the skills and experience to restore your windows to their optimal condition. Regular window maintenance Clearwater can prevent costly installations, but when installations are no longer sufficient, replacement windows Clearwater provide a long-term solution. Custom windows Clearwater, Florida offer a personalized touch to your home, allowing you to create unique designs that reflect your style. Whether you're interested in bay window installation Clearwater or casement windows Clearwater, Florida, custom windows provide endless possibilities for enhancing your home's curb appeal. With window consultation Clearwater, Florida, you can explore various window styles Clearwater and find the perfect match for your home, including fully customized replacement windows Clearwater. Window tinting Clearwater, Florida is an excellent way to enhance privacy and reduce glare in your home. This service not only improves the comfort of your living space but also protects your furniture and flooring from harmful UV rays. Window tinting is a cost-effective solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows without replacing them entirely, but for those looking for a more comprehensive upgrade, replacement windows Clearwater are a great option.